Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will solve this problem step by step and learn a simple method to find the value of a and b from this given nice math problem. A plus b is equal to 2, ab is equal to 100. Can you solve this? Let's begin. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation. A plus b is equal to 2. Let us call this equation 1. Then AB is equal to 100. Let us call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, A plus B is equal to 2. Let us make B the subject of the formula. B is equal to 2 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. Also from equation 2, AB is equal to 100. Now let us substitute for B. A bracket this B is equal to 2 minus A. We have 2 minus A close the bracket is equal to 100. Now let's open this bracket. A multiplied by 2. 2A minus A multiplied by A square is equal to 100. Let us bring this 100 to this side. So this is 2A minus A square minus 100 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. We have minus A square plus 2A minus 100 is equal to 0. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. So minus A squared divided by minus 1, this will give you A squared. Then plus 2A divided by minus 1, this will be minus 2A. And then minus 100 divided by minus 1, this is plus 100 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. And quadratic general formula in this form is given as A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. Or if it is S, this will be S is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. Then from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to 100. A is equal to minus bracket minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by C is 100 all over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 2. This is plus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square. That is 4 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 100. That is minus 400 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 400. That is minus 396 all over 2. A is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of minus 396 can be written as square root of 396 multiplied by minus 1. 396, let's see, this is divisible by 3. Then we have 132. And 132 is divisible by 3. This is 44. 44 is divisible by 2. This is 22. 22 is divisible by 2. This is 11. Therefore, 396 can be written as this is 3 square, then multiply by here is 2 square, then multiply by this 11. So we have 3 square multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 11. This is 9 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 11. And this is the same thing as 36 multiplied by 11. Therefore, we have A is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 36 multiplied by 11 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. And this is over 2. A is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 36 is 6. Square root of minus 1 is I. Then root 11 over 2. A is equal to 2 over 2 plus or minus 6I over 2 root 11. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. This is the same thing as we have A is equal to 1 plus or minus 3I root 11. Therefore, A1 is equal to 1 plus 3I square root of 11, or A2 is equal to 1 minus 3I square root of 11. These are the values of A. We've gotten the value of A1 and A2. Let us solve for B1 and B2. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 2 minus A. B1 is equal to 2 minus A1 is 1 plus 3I square root of 11. Then B1 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3I root 11. Then B1 is equal to 2 minus 1. This is 1 minus 3I square root of 11. This is the value of B1. Also, B2 is equal to 2 minus A2. B2 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3I square root of 11. B2 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus 3I root 11. B2 is equal to 1 plus 3I square root of 11. This is the value of B2. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 1 plus 3I root 11, 1 minus 3I square root of 11. A2, B2 is equal to 1 minus 3I square root of 11, 1 plus 3I square root of 11. You can see that the value of A1 here is equal to the value of B2 here, and the value of B1 here is equal to the value of A2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Now let's check. To check, we have the given equation a plus b is equal to 2, ab is equal to 100. Now let us solve this problem using a1 and the b1. Then let's consider this. A plus b, this is 1 plus 3i root 11 plus 1 minus 3i root 11 must be equal to 2. This cancel this. We have 1 plus 1 must be equal to 2. And of course, 1 plus 1, this is 2, is equal to 2, which is true. Let us consider this. AB is equal to 1 plus 3i square root of 11 multiplied by 1 minus 3i square root of 11. 1 times 1, this is 1. 1 times minus 3i root 11, this is minus 3i square root of 11. 3i root 11 multiplied by 1, this is plus 3i square root of 11. Then 3i root 11 multiplied by minus 3i root 11, this is minus 9 multiplied by I square multiplied by root 11 square must be equal to 100. This must be equal to 100. Now this cancel this. We have 1 minus 9 multiplied by I square multiplied by square root of 11 square must be equal to 100. This cancel this, and then I square is equal to minus 1. So we have 1 minus 9 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 11 must be equal to 100. So this is 1 minus 9 multiplied by minus 1, that is plus 9 multiplied by 11, that is plus 99, must be equal to 100. 1 plus 99, this is 100, which is equal to 100. You can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side here, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.